Are you seeing brokerage gas in your Robinhood and want to clear it out? Let's remove it right away. Brokerage gas is basically uninvested funds in your account. To remove it, open the Robinhood app and tap on the account icon at the top right. From here, go to Transfers, or you can also search Transfers in the search bar right here. Then choose Transfer to your bank. Enter the amount listed as your brokerage gas, confirm your bank and submit. That cash will leave your Robinhood account and head straight to your bank, usually within a few days. If you can't withdraw it, check if the funds are still settling or tied up in margin. That's a common hiccup. Have you ever been confused by the difference between brokerage gas and buying power? Drop a comment below. And if this made things easier, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.